So apparently I cut the recording there, but anyways, I'm just gonna redo this. Why don't so welcome back. Um welcome back to Monster Truck Destruction. Today we're just gonna be playing around um with some stuff. We're just gonna be doing some championship events, I guess. Let's do it, yeah. Let's just continue that one. But yeah, so if you guys haven't already, please subscribe. And also, I have TikTok now. Go follow me on TikTok. It's Mad Gamer. Um, uh, frick, 1,200. Yeah, Mad Gamer. 1,200 or 1,200. Ouch. Okay, that was pretty cool. Oh, by the way, the reason why I'm not playing any other games that I have is because that's kind of like a weird voice crack. But the reason why I'm not playing any games that I have is because they won't like run with my screen recorder. It's only Monster Truck Destruction that runs like pretty good with the screen recorder that I have. I don't know why. It's just weird. Like I really want to put some Offered Outlaws content out for you guys and some No Limit drag racing content. Oh, that was cool. But I want to put something else out there other than just the same content I've been putting out for you guys. Like I feel like that's gonna get boring after a while. Like okay, good, no ad. But like you guys like want to see like stuff on my channel that's just like, oh yeah, he's gonna do probably maybe he's gonna do Offered Outlaws today. Nope, it's back to Monster Truck Destruction. Well, I'm not watching this. This is boring. Monster Truck Destruction's boring because I've just been watching this for the past like week, like a couple weeks or so. Like you guys, I want to give you content that you haven't seen before, or maybe you have seen, but like from different YouTubers, but like still. Um, Dang it, we lost that one though. I'm terribly sorry about the lag. Um, Again, don't have enough money for the low end device. Like I don't have any money at all. So my parents are the main thing that like my parents pay for everything that I game with and stuff. So I mean, don't bash them because they got me like a terrible tablet. That's not that at all. Sorry about that. Had an ad trying to like sell me to. It's trying to get me to like buy cars and stuff, but I ain't gonna do that because I don't have any money. Save it. Save it. There we go. Oh, by the way, I heard that Offered Outlaws got a new update. I'm well aware of that. Jesus, why? What's with the voice cracks? I'm well aware that Offered Outlaws got a new update. The one with the guns and the people, like you can actually get out of your truck. Oh, we did a front flip! Like you can actually get out of your truck and you can put drag slicks and zoomies on your cars and trucks and stuff. I'm well aware of that. Like you can also change the color of your suspension. I'm well aware that that update came out already, but I just can't play it. I can't put the content out with my screen recorder and run the game at the same time. And if I were to run the game and actually record a video for you guys on Offered Outlaws, the quality of the game would be horrible because I have to run it in like incredibly low quality. And it's like It sucks. Alright, let's try and get some more points here. Perfect. Yep. Good to go. We won that one. I knew there was going to be an ad. I knew it. I just knew it. Oh, sweet. We won the championship. But, I think we're going to do a multiplayer match. And then we're going to... Hold up. What's the track I wanted to do? Was it 32? And then we're going to do... I'm going to end the video, so... Trying to find the track. So it's level 22. Okay. I don't care. No. My God. There. Asking permission. Perfect. Outback Thunder, the Australian monster truck, versus Bigfoot. Aww. Oh, the lag is real. We get a nice wheelie, though. I can barely tell what's going on. Like, I'm getting, like, 5 FPS every 2 seconds. Sorry. Sorry. I'll take you with me. Oh, nice. Oh, we got a nice wheelie there from what I could tell. Yeah, I gotta leave this. This is unplayable. Oh my God, that was so unplayable. I think I'm gonna end the video here. Okay. Yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to like and subscribe and go follow me on TikTok. It's MadGamer1200. No caps, no spaces. And let's try and get to 55 followers on TikTok and 10 subscribers by the end of the week on YouTube. Let's see if you guys can do it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.